This is my review video for this overhead phone mount. The trapezoidal tripod is made of metal materials, providing stable support. Durable flexible gooseneck allows you to adjust the clip light easily and direct the light wherever you want. It can be used as a video conference lighting or an LED desk lamp. The mobile phone holder makes work more effective when video recording, remote working, online education, and Zoom calls. It doesn't take up much space on table, and it's easily disassembled. All the parts are detachable and space-saving. It's easy to take them apart, store and carry in a small bag when you need to go out. The LED desk lamp is equipped with USB cable. It can be charged by any USB devices like laptop, PC, power bank, USB charger, AC adapter. If you want to find a light that can be used as desk lamp as well as fill light for video recording, this overhead phone mount with LED light is for you. Wide range of application. Fill light for drawing, fill light for shoot objects, fill light for video recording.